Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add collapsible row or section on Shopify product page. The first thing you will need to do is go onto your Shopify admin page, as you can see right here. Once you have done that, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on online store. After selecting online store, you will automatically be redirected to the themes page, and all I want you to do is tap on customize. Once you have selected customize, you will be redirected to the editor page. Once on the editor page, you are going to go over to the top and you are going to tap right where you see home page and you are going to select products. After selecting products, you are going to tap on default product. Once you have done that, you'll be led to your product page, as you can see right here. Now to add the collapsible row or section, all you'll need to do is scroll down from the left hand menu option. Then right where you see add block, you're going to tap on that. Then you will see the option collapsible row. You're going to tap on that. And you can see that it has been added right there. Now to edit it, all you'll need to do is tap on it. Then from there, you can choose whether you would like the icon to be a check mark, or if you would like it to be an apple, you could make it be an apple. As you can see right there, you can see the changes. And if you would like it to be a banana, it could be a banana bottle. Or if you would like it to be a box, you can choose any one of these options. As you can see, there are numerous options. You can choose whether you'd like it to be any one of these options. You can do that. Once you have chosen the option that you would like it to be, you can also change the heading right here. So if you'd like to change the heading to something else, you could do that. And you can also choose what you would like to display. For example, if you would like to display something from a page, you could simply tap on select page. Then from here, you could search for the page, then tap on the page that you would like to use so that you'll be able to insert that particular page information. Or if you would like to type in some information, you can simply type in the information in this box right here. Or if you like some help from AI to generate a text, you can also do that. If you would like to add a link, so let's say for example you would like to link this text to a particular page, whether it is on your Shopify store or an external page, you could simply highlight it, then tap on insert link. Then from there you can search for the page that you would like to add it to, or you can simply paste in the URL right here. Once you have made your changes, all you'll need to do now is tap on save in the top right hand corner. Once it has been saved, if I were to go onto the product page, so let's say for example I were to go onto the product page right now and refresh the product page, you are going to see it right there. You can now see the collapsible row right here, as you can see there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And if you'd also like to know how to add tags to your Shopify product pages, I've done a video on that, so you can check it out. And thanks again for watching.